Hi, my name is Iza Trapani, and I am so lucky to be able to make books for wonderful kids like you. Thank you also, parents and teachers. I'm so happy you're joining me for this story time. The book I'm going to read is Old MacDonald Had a Zoo? Well, actually, if you look at the back cover, there's a newspaper headline that says, "Zoo animals escaped." Kind of gives us a hint as to what the book will be about, doesn't it? And here we have the first page with Old MacDonald heading to the barn to milk the cow, as he does every morning. He thinks it's going to be a normal day. And it starts out fine. This is the scene in the barn where he's milking the cow. And the verse is, Old MacDonald had a farm. On his farm he had a cow with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Would you like to join me in singing it? Okay. Wish I could hear you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now this is where things get a little complicated. Old MacDonald in the sty, E-I-E-I-O, saw a kangaroo hop by, E-I-E-I-O. With a hop, hop up and a hop, hop down, here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop, hop, mucky mud went flying high, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald heard a plunk, E-I-E-I-O. And elephant had come to dunk, E-I-E-I-O. What do you think that elephant's going to do? I bet you have a good idea. I bet you are right. With a squirt, squirt near and a squirt, squirt far, here a squirt, there a squirt, everywhere a squirt, squirt, water spurted from its trunk, E-I-E-I-O. I think Old MacDonald is having a bad day, don't you? Old MacDonald heard a crunch, E-I-E-I-O. Zebras helped themselves to lunch, E-I-E-I-O. With a chomp above and a chomp below, here a chomp, there a chomp, everywhere a chomp, chomp. What a hungry, messy bunch, E-I-E-I-O. They sure made a big mess and they ate all the hay. He wasn't happy about that. Old MacDonald gaped and frowned, E-I-E-I-O. At monkeys swinging all around, E-I-E-I-O. Do you know what gape means? In case you don't, it means to look at something with much surprise and with your mouth open. Something like, oh, that's a gape. With a whoosh, whoosh low and a whoosh, whoosh high, here a whoosh, there a whoosh, everywhere a whoosh, whoosh, whoops, the eggs fell on the ground, E-I-E-I-O. Uh-oh. MacDonald shook with fear, E-I-E-I-O. When a crocodile came near, E-I-E-I-O. I bet you know what that crocodile will do. With a snap to the front and a snap to the back, here a snap, there a snap, everywhere a snap, snap, everybody disappeared, E-I-E-I-O. They all ran into the barn. Old MacDonald cried, "No more! E-I-E-I-O." He stomped his foot hard on the floor, E-I-E-I-O. With a stomp, stomp left and a stomp, stomp right, here a stomp, there a stomp, everywhere a stomp, stomp. Now he had just one more chore, E-I-E-I-O. Now you notice he's carrying a rope. I wonder what he's going to do with that. Old MacDonald yelled, "We're through! E-I-E-I-O." In his trailer went the crew, E-I-E-I-O. Notice where that rope ended up? Right on the crocodile's snout. With a vroom to start and a vroom to end, here a vroom, there a vroom, everywhere a vroom, vroom, he returned them to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Boy, that was some day he had, wasn't it? And he went home to rest, fell asleep in his armchair, thinking everything would be okay, and then the giraffe shows up. And later when he goes to bed, a koala bear shows up. Looks like it was a wild time on the old MacDonald farm. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.